This browser is going to allow us to pick and choose the location that we want to import. Let's go, for example, United States, and let's go to Chicago, and I'm going to pick some area here. Keep in mind that you don't want to have very big import location right away because it may be heavy on the system. So first I would try with importing some smaller geometry, for example, just one city block, and then you can expand after that because you need to see how much time it would take to import. When you click show selection rectangle, it's going to show you this image. So you can now, of course, zoom out or zoom in wherever you want. For example, let's go in this area. Let's again click on show selection rectangle. And if you want to see a little bit better, like what the buildings are, you can also click here ArcGIS satellite data. When you click there, you're going to see which buildings are actually located in the area and if you want to import them. So I'm going to pick, let's say, some area around here, this city block here. Let's go all the way until here, and let's go until this street. I think this will be enough. You'll see here the area size. So now it's 0.5.0.4 kilometers. And all you need to do here is to click on copy. So you click copy, that's going to copy these coordinates. And now you go back to Blender and you click on paste. And when you click on paste, it's going to memorize those coordinates. And now the next thing you need to do is click on import. But before clicking on import, make sure that here you have Google 3D tiles selected because that's how you want to import Google Maps data. If you want to just use OpenStreetMap, you can do so as well. But keep in mind that the quality and the details are not going to be the same. Google 3D tiles and the level of details. This is where you determine how detailed you want the model to be. I usually would go with buildings with more details. This is the most detailed model that you can choose from. But if you're choosing like very big area, try to kind of play with this because if you have like, let's say the whole city, it's not going to be able to import all of that. It's going to take too much time and resources on your system. So let's click buildings with more details and keep everything the same and simply click on import. Okay, so the import process is done. Now, if I zoom in, you're going to see that we have the geometry up above.